Welcome to PaidToday, how to edit a product. Okay, so we've just created this product here, the My New Hat, and we're going to go ahead and we may say we want to change the inventory or the price, or maybe give it a new title. So we're going to go ahead and click the edit button over here on the right. And once we're in here, we can go ahead and change the title or add more to the description. And then we can also, maybe I want to take it off the marketplace, or I can turn their shipping off of it so it doesn't require shipping. If this was like a, a digital product or something like that, you wouldn't necessarily need shipping. And vice versa, if you have an unlimited inventory, you don't need to set, you can just set it high. So go ahead and save that, and we'll go back to products, and then we can see that we have our edits and they have been made. The Stripe subscription, if it's a subscription plan or product, you can create the subscription plan in Stripe, use it here. The SKU is here to help you kind of keep track. If you have a lot of products and you want to search by that SKU, you can do that as well. Same with the UPC. And then your cost per unit, this is just if you want to keep track of how much it costs you to create one unit of this product. If you want to use Zapier or some kind of third-party posting, like post to a third-party app or something like that, this is a more advanced feature. You can also use webhooks down here.